Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here and it's the first time you've seen this face, hey, I'm Shakay. I do vlogs, lifestyle, beauty videos. So if you're interested, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, click the bell so you're notified every time I make a video. So guys, yeah, the title says it all. It's Teacher's Day. Well, tomorrow is Teacher's Day, so but the vlog is basically gonna be Teacher's Day adventures. So we're starting off by looking some clothes to wear tomorrow. Struggle. This is like probably the worst part of going out, finding the outfits. But yeah, I want a yellow out tomorrow because yellow is my favorite color. Just want to be yellow and all tomorrow. So I started to look some stuff this morning, but I needed to go to Kingston. So yeah, that is that. But then this vlog you might not see until Saturday. So today is actually Tuesday, but I don't think you guys are gonna see this vlog until Saturday because I want to put well, you guys already saw that, but like a 1,000 subscribers special, something like that. Yeah, that's what I wanted to do for then. Let me see if I can catch me. So I don't know, I got drop. Hey, I'll put the phone me I use, that's why me I want. So if it's a camera I can actually catch anywhere, I have a base, but the phone I don't want to drop coming in it to buy one new screen right now. But anyways, oh yes, yeah, so let us get into finding my clothes and see what I'm gonna wear. Why am I bug on the floor? I don't know, it just fell. But anyways, I just got those from my aunt. But yeah, I want to yellow out tomorrow. This pants, I don't know if I can wear it. I wanted to wear this. I got this as I showed in like I think the previous vlog. I don't know, I'm not sure, I don't remember. Oh yeah, I think I showed this in the previous vlog, right? Yeah, or if not in the previous vlog, it will be coming the vlog next. So I got this in Maypen and I think I want to wear it, I don't know. And then I want to carry this yellow bag, plus that's going to be too small because we're going to a one-day pass at a hotel. So this is the basket I want to wear. It's yellow and I want to carry my yellow slippers that I also bought the other day. So I'm gonna be all yellowed out. It don't match, but oh well, yellow is yellow for me tomorrow. Yellow is yellow, all of that yellow. But yes, that's what I'm doing right now. Money, give me now pick up money no grip pantry, can't waste it. Anyways, so yes, that's what I'm doing, guys. So I finished quite a while ago, but I'm gonna show you guys like what I'm wearing. Well, basically what I packed. I'm not wearing a bag, so just to show you guys. So I have a few things in this bag. I ended up having to carry this because the matama said it had a bag now whole, which is actually right, because they want me to carry like a towel in case of anything. But yes, this is like snacks for the road. And yeah, I don't know if nothing else will go. I'm gonna just check back again and just go through. This is my like handbag, and then this is what I'm gonna wear. Just a dress, a green dress, and those are my jewelry. And yeah, and then that black slippers. So the next clip you guys will see is when I'm dressed for tomorrow. I'm ready, guys. So this is the fit on me. A crush up back. I'm gonna in it, forgot iron it back. So I ironed it last night and that is it. So yes, I have my glasses. I combed my hair like this because I'm thinking like when I'm coming back I can pull it out and it will look curly and style, but whatever. I have on my Shakay, my cross that my nephew gave me. I have on this bracelet here, and then I also have this one here. It's a drop off for me. Anyways, and then this green dress here. And look, people in Jamaica may not know which part none of them clothes come from. So yeah, and then I'm wearing my slippers. So yeah, and then I ended up having to change the bag because the zip spoiled this morning. So yes, this is the bag I'll be carrying along with my little teeny yellow bag. And my ring needs to go onto my finger. This goes back in the bathroom. So I'm ready. Hi. Get on, fast again.
Oh, me?
Yes. Rose. Have you there? You know what's up? Vlog Afido. Hi guys, we're at Bahia Principe Bay. This is Jamaica. This is Latoya. I'm a photo video. Yes, people play spark. We're gonna take picture, no, we're gonna take picture with a video time, a vlog time. Vlog time. subscribe to my channel. Yes. Link would be in the description down below. Bye, Mr. Sun.
I guess what I'll be traveling with Benji still. I'll be still the best.
Me tell me you want what can you give me?
Alright, guys. Quiet. Wait. So, guys, I got home to a touching story of my baby bringing me Teacher's Day gift, and I was not here to see the excitement. So, the teacher look. Anyways, so then my baby come in with my gift and I look for me so excitedly. Yes, dramatize. Give me the back. This is a dramatization. People, action. Action. Oh, not you. Action. Why is that Shakay? This is a game. Oh my god. That was what I missed. So yes, guys, I missed like all of that excitement with my baby bringing me my Teacher's Day gift. So this is my gift. So I just wanted to open it on camera and just show you guys. So it comes with a tissue paper. Yeah. And it comes with a card that says Happy Teacher's Day. I'm sure she write this. So it says, teacher, talented, elegant, awesome, charming, helpful, efficient, and receptive. Happy Teacher's Day. The art of teaching is the art of assisting. Discovery, Mark Van Doren to Shakay. Oh, so cute. Alright, so the first thing is this stuffed animal. And guys, if you don't know me, I love these things. Love them. So it's a stuffed animal, stuffed duck actually. Isn't it cute? And then the next thing is a cute little candle. It's from Honey Crisp Apple, and it's made with essential oils, which is pretty cute. Yeah, so that is it, and it smells really good. Guys, you know what this just want me to do? Right now me just want do what? What do you think? Move. I want to also me can put one in each room.
Every time she do one
video me get if you home when me just let them tell me
move, you make me move out.
This just make me want my house. Me can just line out things when me wherever me want it. But yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching my Teacher's Day vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. We had quite a lot of fun. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.